Just go ahead and accept kids that are coming in more. You can just go ahead and accept. Thank you. We'll wait for another 2-3 minutes. Okay, then I'll kids to join.
Could you repeat what you said?
How was the homework I asked? Were you
Oh,
able to do or did you have any questions?
I didn't finish it because I was kind of busy this week, but I finished like a little bit of it. It was okay. I just had like a few questions.
Rishit, how was it for you?
The homework was pretty hard. I have some questions which I want to ask.
On the word problems, Rishit?
Yeah.
Okay, let's definitely go over it. Akshara, how about you, Ma?
It was okay. I wasn't able to finish it because I was really busy, but I did like half of it.
I see. Okay, but 2 more minutes, we'll wait and get started, guys. There are 1 or 2 more sleep that need to join. I think they're thinking as it is as 8:30. Let's just wait. Nabiha, how was it for you, Nabiha? Nabiha and Bhakti, could you let me know, were you able to do the word problems or you had trouble too?
I was able to do some of them, but I couldn't finish all of them. But it was okay, but like
little louder, ma.
I couldn't finish everything. But it was okay, but it was a little hard.
Rojit, were you able to work on those word problems?
Yeah.
Nabiha, how about you?
I finished it, but some of them were a little hard.
Oh, we'll definitely go over it now. Okay, Navya, how about you? And what are they doing in school for Akshada?
I finished the problems, but yeah.
You finished the problems, okay. Akshada, what are you doing in school, ma?
We're doing system of equations and elimination and substitution.
See, that is what I covered last class for the others, meaning I started with elimination substitution, but we'll do one thing for your class. We will go over the homework problems first, and then we'll clarify all the questions that you have, and then move on to systems of equations, elimination, and substitution. Both I finished in the other class, and I would like to do the same thing here, but let's see, based on time we have, we'll do that, okay? And for Srinita, what's going on in school?
Right now we took our Unit 3 and Unit 4 test. on Thursday and Friday.
My unit 3, unit 4, na, is it per the book or what is meaning?
Oh
What are
no,
you
not from
getting?
the book. Not from the book. Like
So what are you
there.
getting to and what is done?
Like linear equations, basically.
So linear equations, inequalities is done now.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. I got it. Ajira, what you're doing in school, ma?
Right now we're doing like graphing. Well, we just finished like graphing linear stuff or like inequalities, and now we're just doing that still, but we're doing like harder problems, I think.
Hey, Vinisha,
It's like domain and range.
Hey, I see. See, linear lines you're plotting at school, ama. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and we're doing like finding the domain and range of a graph, like that kind of stuff.
See, that should be easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. One second, guys. Let me have my video on. Give me a minute. For the Akshara, what list you have questions on? You can open it, ma. You can open it, share screen if you want to, or I can share the screen for your
I
homework.
was confused on 39, 40, and 41 of the homework.
Miss Priya. Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
Yeah, I didn't finish my homework. Can I just submit it like tomorrow?
Yes, you can. But I'm hearing it was a little tough. Did you have any questions on that?
No, not really.
Okay, good to know. And Yojit, what questions you had? Can you let me know, Yojit?
It was a few on the consecutive number ones.
Do you want me to open it on the screen and will you tell me what are the questions you have?
Yes.
Okay. Amma, we'll do the word problems first and then we'll, okay, I do see some of you. Okay, Harshita, Krishiv. Mahir, you didn't turn your homework, right? Srinita as well, right? Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, ma'am. Question number?
Miss Priya, can we go over question number 43? 43 to 46, I didn't really understand.
Yeah. Good one. Okay, good one. Okay. That's a good one, actually. Okay. See, these are work-based problems. All these are work-based problems. Work-based problems, the way you work is, okay. I don't want to go by formulas. I want you to understand, okay? Mrs. Saunders can, see this one I did not cover, honestly. So can clean the windows of her house in 3 hours. So in 1 hour, what part of the work is getting done? See, in a 3-hour window, the whole job is done, right? So in the 1 hour, what part of the work is done?
A third.
1/3 of the work is done, right? 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So every 1 hour, this is 3 hours, the whole job is done. One whole is done, okay? But 1/3 of the work is done in 1 hour, correct? So now, you see here, the work done will be equal to rate at which the work is done. 1/3. 1/3 is the rate, 1/3 per hour, right? So 1/3 times the number of hours will be equal to one whole work done. Are you all getting this?
Yeah.
So you should know this basically, work equal to rate times time, meaning rate is the amount of work that gets done in 1 hour times the number of hours will be equal to one whole job done. So if you understand that, everything becomes easy. Mrs. Saunders can clean the windows of her house in 3 hours. Okay, so for Saunders, what is the rate? Saunders' rate is 1/3. Daughter's rate is 1/6. Any questions still here? As we discussed, right, work equal to rate times time. So basically, when they both work together, right, what will be their rate? 1/3 plus 1/6, because both of their rates are getting combined, right? But they have to finish up their work, means one whole job should get done. How many hours it's going to take? So you're going to find the time. Am I making sense? So here, this is going to be 2/6. So this is 3/6. So 3/6 is 1/2. T will be equal to 1. T will be equal to 2 hours. So when they both work together, they will take 2 hours to complete the work. Any questions here? Okay, let's try the next one. Let me do this. I will make you do this. Is this okay? Let's try this. A driver can deliver his newspapers in 80 minutes. So what is the rate of work in 1 minute? What is the rate of work in 1 minute? In 80 minutes, he is going to complete one whole job. 80 minutes, one whole job is getting done. So in 1 minute, what is the job that gets done?
1/80.
1/80.
Yeah.
So let's do that. Driver delivering newspaper, right? Driver's rate is 1/80. His friend can take care of the same route in 2 hours. We want everything to be in the same unit. So friend's rate is what? 1 by what? Yep. Srinita, you have to unmute and say, right?
1 by 120.
120. Okay. How long will it take for them to do the job together? When they do the job together, the rate meaning getting the job done will be 1. Rate will be what? Both together, right? I'll have to combine both of their rates. Right? So here 120, 80, what will be the LCM? Least common multiple. 240, right?
Yeah.
30, 30. This is 30, right? 30, yeah.
No, it's 3.
3 and 2, right? 5, correct?
Yeah.
Times T will be equal to 1. So T is what? T will be 240 by 5.
2 times 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6.
Did I make a mistake?
Well, oh wait, never mind, never mind.
Good, huh? Correct,
Yeah.
right? Mm.
Interesting.
Yeah, 2 4. Sorry, Yojit, what was that? You're muted, I think, Yojit.
Simplifying.
Yeah, you have to simplify. So 5 fours are 20, 48. So 48 minutes. Does it make sense? Okay, how about we work out? Meaning, I want you all to try one. See, these are the ones that I want you to bring up and ask in class. How about this? 45. Can we all complete? Meaning, I will ask more questions rather than depending on the answer. Wait. Okay. Okay. I want to know what equation you formed, and then I want to know the final answer. 2 things you have to send it to me. What was the equation you formed, and what is the final answer? Can we try that, please? If you don't understand, I'm here. If you're not able to, you have to clearly let me know. Nabiha, are you getting it now? Nabiha?
Yeah.
Okay, good. No, Navia, okay. Nabiha? Oh, Vibha, good job, ma. Dhruv, good job.
Yeah, sorry, my mic wasn't working. Yeah, I understand now.
Bhakti, good job. All of you are getting it. Vibha, correct. Dhruv, correct. Rishit, correct. Nabiha, correct. Akshada, correct. Akshada, did you understand how to write the equation? I didn't see your equation, ma. If you
Yeah,
understand,
I'm
fine.
working on
Okay.
it.
But how did you get the answer then?
Using the fractions.
Okay. Oh, sure. Vinisha, where are you confused? I'll help you. Where are you confused, ma?
I don't know. Just overall, I'm a bit confused.
Okay, ma. Work, if there is work rate problems, right? You'll have to remember this. Completing the work stands for 1. Okay, work rate problems. Completing the work is 1. You got it? So here the rate is per minute per hour. Okay. One pipe can fill in 8 minutes means in 1 minute, what part of the job is done? 1 by 8, right? The second pipe, the rate is 1 by 12. The third pipe, the rate is 1 by 24, correct? Now, when they all work together, you have to add their rates. Basically, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24 is the combined rate when they all work together. Okay, you don't know for how long they will work together, but the work has to get done. Yes, Anya, tell me.
I still haven't been added to the Google Classroom.
Okay, I will add ma at the end of the class. Would you mind waiting and letting me know? I will add you and I'll make sure you are in there. Is that okay?
Okay.
So here 24, 3, 4, 5, 6 times t will be equal to 1. T will be equal to 24 by 6. Yes, Dhruv, tell me.
You guys did like some tests like 2 weeks ago or something. I didn't do it yet.
Did I share the test link with you?
Don't think so.
Then you have to wait at the end of the class. You'll have to ask and go. You
Okay.
got it? Okay. Krishiv, that is right. But did you get the answer, Krishiv, after that?
Wait, what is gonna be the answer? Like,
You have to tell how long will they work together to get that filled in.
oh,
The
okay.
tank filled. Oh, sorry, I was muted. Yeah, tell me. Krishiv, yeah, Krishiv, did you get this? Meaning you got till here, right? 1 by 4 T will be equal to W, right?
Yeah.
Work, finishing the job, filling the tank stands for one whole job, right? So T will be equal to 4 by 1, which is 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Yes, Anya. What is your question, Anya?
4 minutes.
So there's this problem I was doing the other day, and I did it like a long way. I didn't know if there was a shortcut or not.
Which one, ma?
No, not on this. I didn't have this.
Okay,
but-
1 minute. Can I come back to that? Can I finish this
Okay.
back to yours? Okay, I will definitely come back. Any other questions in the homework?
Miss Priya, can we go over 57?
Yes, but did you understand this now, Nabiha?
Yeah, sorry, my mic just wasn't working.
57. I'm so sorry. 57 you can skip because we don't have enough information. Sorry about that. You get it?
Yeah.
57 is missing information. When I convert it to a Word, meaning this PDF document. Okay. Okay, I can show what is going on with 15. Find the area of the triangle they've given, right? Area of the rectangle is 120 square inches. Area of the rectangle is 120 square inches means this is not enough to find the amount. See, even if this is taken as 15 inches, right? We don't understand what is x and 4x. You got it, huh? So we cannot do this unless we know it clearly. So you can skip this. The way I converted the document seems incorrect. Sorry about that. Nabiha, did it make it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions?
I had a question on 39, 40, and 41.
Absolutely, ma. 39. Ma, okay. How will you suppose, let's say we are going to see for any word problem, you have to define your own variables. Suppose if I tell you 2 consecutive integers, how will we define our variables?
X plus X plus 4.
X and X plus 1. Good job. If I ask you 2 consecutive even integers, what will you do?
X and X plus
X
2.
plus what? X plus X plus 2.
X and X plus 2. 2 consecutive odd integers?
Same. Keep the same thing.
Same thing. Basically same thing. Okay. Now, if I ask you 3 consecutive odd integers, what happens?
X plus X plus 2 plus X plus 4.
You know what? Instead of this, can I do this? X minus 2x, X plus 2. Well, see, you can have it as x plus 2 x plus, there's nothing wrong, okay? But what I'm saying is when you sum them up, right? Here, it's easy to sum up as 3x. Here, you'll have to sum up the x's and then sum up the numbers. That's all. That's all. Meaning you can take it either way, but it is always easier to go this route where you have a minus and a plus. So they get cancelled. You got it? So it's nice to assume this way. That's all I wanted to show you. Let's come back to the problem. The sum, which one do you want to solve? 37 or 38 or 39? All are similar.
39.
39. Find 3 consecutive integers. Means, can I have 3 consecutive integers, right? So, can I have them like this?
No, I mean, no, it's consecutive.
Oh,
so
sorry.
yeah.
Sorry. I can have it like this, right?
Yeah.
Such that the smallest, which is the smallest, such that twice the
Wait, Miss
smallest.
Priya,
Yeah, ma.
it says a minus x, x plus what? I'm confused.
Okay. The smallest is x minus 1. Consecutive integers, right? The next one is x. The next one is x plus 1. Make sense? Okay. Such that twice the smallest means what? This is the smallest, right? 2 times in bracket. Don't forget the bracket because x minus 1 is a single number. Twice the smallest is means equals 12 more than the largest. You get it, ma? Now what happened? Distributed. 2x minus 2 equal to 13 plus x. 15 equal to x. So your middle number is 15. This one is 14. This is 16. Any questions?
No, I think I got it.
How about you, Yojit?
No, this was the questions that I drove as well. I understand it.
Miss
Oh.
Priya, can you do number 40?
We'll do any number of problems, ma, because these are important. 40 you want, huh?
Yeah.
Ma, please repeat. Okay. Okay, why don't I ask you, meaning why don't I give clues and let you proceed, okay? Because that way you'll get used to these problems. I'm not getting answers from everybody, which is a little sad. Next, I'm going to pick out people who are not answering. If you don't answer, I'll pick you. Number 40. 3 consecutive even integers means what? Can one of you tell me what are the... Rishit, do you want to go ahead and tell me what are the variables I'll have?
X minus 1, x, and x plus 1.
Dhruv, X, what ma?
X minus 1, x plus 1. I mean, x, then x plus 1.
Please see what is given.
Oh,
What should it be?
x minus 2, x, x plus 2.
So now you all go ahead and write out the equation and the final answer. Both should come to me. Such that the sum of the smallest and twice the second. Sum of the smallest and twice the second is 8 more than the third. Can we write the equation? I want the equation and the final answer.
What do you mean by sum of the smallest?
Sum means you should have two numbers, right?
Oh, my bad.
No problem at all. We are just learning. So sum means it has to have two. What are they? Smallest and twice the second. Go ahead. If you still don't know, you can just say, I don't know, rather than keeping quiet. Oh, guys, I really wanted to go to elimination and substitution.
That's what we're doing in school.
Yeah, I want to go to that, but you know what? I don't think you would have dealt with these problems so thoroughly at school. So that's why I wanted to do this set. Try, let's see. Let's see. I want to go as well. Let's see. Go ahead, guys. Are you all substituting back and seeing, guys? Vibha, did you substitute it back and see?
Yeah.
Mm.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Vibha, it's not working correctly. Is
Wait,
it working? Did you recheck? Did you put it into the equation and see sum of the smallest and twice the second is 8 more than the third? Did you check with your answers?
Yeah, I did something wrong. I'm redoing it.
Yeah, but where did you do wrong? I'm wondering. You know, that plus 8 should come on the other side, ma.
Yeah, that's what I did wrong.
Okay. Nabiha, correct, ma. Mahir, what is that? Okay, you need help, ma? Bhakti, correct. Rishit, correct. Srinitha, correct. Adira, correct. Vinisha, correct. Yojit, is it work? 8 more, Yojit. See your equation. 8 more than the third. Why did you subtract?
Okay.
Guys, before you answer, put it back. Recheck. See, once you get the answer as 0, 2, 4, right? Put it back into the equation and see sum of the smallest and twice the second. 0 plus 4 is 8 more than the third. 8 more than the third is this. Are they equal? No. Then your answer is incorrect. Yes, Vinisha, that's right. Navya, can I get your answer?
I'm a little confused.
You're a little confused on where, meaning you tell me where are you confused, I'm here to help you. Where are you confused?
I'm a little confused on how to do the equation. It's not clear.
Sure, ma. Krishu, I would like to see your equation. Akshada, I would like to see your equation. Not just answers, ma. Both of you, I want to see equations. Anya, what's going on with you?
I have the answer, but I can't really find a good equation.
Only when you solve by equations, it will be right. Vibha, you corrected it. Good job.
Is mine correct?
Only when it comes with equations, I can verify.
Miss Priya,
Krishiv, that is correct. Thanks for the equation. Okay, so Nabiha, I'm going over this for you. We were doing this, right? The integers were even integers, x minus 2, x and x plus 2, right? What does it say? Sum of the smallest and sum of what? This and twice the second, 2x, right? Sum of these two is 8 more than the third. 8 more than the third means 8 more than the third. Anya and Nabiha, did you understand the equation?
Yeah, I understood it now.
Yeah, I get it now.
This is twice the second. Now, 3x minus 2 equal to 10 plus x, 2x equal to 12, x equal to 6. Any questions? If x is 6, 4, 6, 8 are the integers. Any other questions in this set?
Okay, then I did get it right. I thought I got something wrong.
No. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, then can I move on? Okay. Now, till date, we have graphed line equations, right? We have graphed line equations. We were able to write out line equations. All that stuff we did. As we move on, we can be given a system of linear equations. System of linear equations means it can be 2 or more linear equations. Okay, so let's see this one. I'll go with the concept for the first time and then I'll describe the two methods. We are going to solve linear systems. Next week, we'll look at graphing. Okay, for this week, I'm just going to go over the concept. Okay, now we have written line equations. Okay, in different forms, we have written line equations as well, right? I had a lot of questions. 1 second, guys. Okay, so let's do this one. Okay, so you all can identify what a line equation is very well. Okay, how about this? So when the power of x and y are 1, right? Then it's a line equation, you all know. You're given two lines. Basically, the first one is a linear equation. The second one is a linear equation, correct? Absolute value equation, okay. So here, this is a linear equation. This is also a linear equation. Now, when you come to this, right, graphing, I'm going to deal with it next week, okay? So this week, I really want to be able to, when you're given two lines, right? What does it mean? Let's say y will be equal to minus 3x minus 2. The other equation says y equal to 3x plus 10. In this scenario, y equal to minus 3x minus 2, right? I don't want to graph it, I said it's okay. So x and y represents point on the line. X and Y represents point on the line, right? Now, all the while, we were always given equations like this, so it was easy for you to deal with. One equation, one variable. One equation, one variable, you can find out the variable. But here you have two variables. So, if you have two variables and you want to find out what X and Y are, then you need to have two equations as well. So, you're given two lines. Basically, what you can do, let's see. So, here y is equal to minus 3x minus 2. So wherever I see the variable y, algebraically first let's solve. Wherever I see y, I will plug it in with minus 3x minus 2. Please listen guys, only once we'll do this. So wherever I see y in the next equation, I will just plug it in. See, now we have only x as the variable and one equation to solve. Do you guys get it? What happens here? Plus 3x on both sides. Then a minus 10 on both sides. 6x equal to minus 12, x equal to minus 2. So, I have the value of the variable x. Now, I take it back and put it into this equation or any one equation you can put it. If you put it there, so you will get y will be equal to 6 minus 2, which is a 4. But what is this x and y? This x comma y, basically, see, this is a line, right? A line like this.
You have to put it in like in ordered pair.
Exactly, a line like this. So basically, this is line 1. Line 1, okay? When you graph it, right? This is line 2 with a positive slope and 10 as the intercept. The positive slope and 10 as the intercept. So basically, that line 2. Do you see there are so many xy points on the line? But there is only one xy point that appears in both line 1 and line 2. That is what this is. That intersection point, that xy point that appears in line 1 as well as line 2 is this minus 2 comma 4. Any questions?
Miss Prim,
Yeah, go ahead.
if the line has like no intersection, would it be a no solution?
If the line has?
If it, for example, the lines are like parallel, would the like answer be solution?
Yeah. We'll go to that situation in a minute or two. Okay. So for now, did you understand how this all works? You're given two lines. Algebraically, we are wanting to solve it. If you're asked to solve graphically, you already know that. You're going to graph this line, you're going to graph this line. When you graph it when you graph it, automatically it's going to show the intersection. That is your solution. Is very easy. Okay, that we'll do it later. Okay. For now, when you think about it, this is an equation. So here algebraically, if you want to solve, one variable you express in terms of the other, it's already there. Y equal to minus 3x plus 2, just plug it into the other equation. You get one variable, one equation, solve for that, x equal to minus 2, y equal to 4. So that is the point, x comma y point, that is present in both the lines. So that is a solution to this linear system. Solution means that's the intersection point of both the lines. Did you guys get it? Now, when there are two lines, right, they can either intersect or they can be parallel or what else? They can be overlapping each other. So what would happen in this case? How will the solution be? There is no intersection point. So what will happen to the solution? Will there be an x and y point that's common to both?
No.
So there will be no solution. What will happen in this case?
It would be infinite solution.
It will be infinite solution because all the xy points are on both the lines. So it will be infinite solutions. Any questions? Okay, now let's do all of the types. Okay, so that way you all understand what is going on as well. Give me 1 minute. I'm going to give you all the types. Okay, let's try this one. Quickly, let's try this one. You're going to try this one. Do it by substitution. You're going to substitute one with the other. Come on, guys, quick. I just need the answer. Send the answer to me. Yep, the second question is this. I have two questions on the board, both I'll solve, but I want you to solve. We are doing only by substitution. 2 lines. We are solving linear systems by substitution. I want both x and y, guys. Both x and y I need. Oh, wow, Srinita, good job. Too easy, Srinita. Dhruv, good job. See, the second one is a little tricky. Now we are correct. Which one, Rishit? Which one have you given the answer for, Rishit?
Oh, so basically I had 2 answers ready. I had 2 texts ready, but I accidentally hit enter for one of them instead of hitting shift enter.
No problem, that infinite solution is for which answer, Rishit?
The second.
Second, see, second one I'm going to solve on the board, okay? 3x minus, Krishiv, I didn't get your answer. Mahir, I'm not getting your answer either.
I said the first answer.
Oh, really? Okay, thanks, Krishiv. Sorry, Krishiv. Let me check. My second one, I feel some of you are getting it incorrect. Mahir, the first Y answer is incorrect. I know why you substituted it wrongly. X is correct. All of you got the first one. But Mahir, when you substituted x equal to 2, right, it is 6 minus 6, right, Mahir? So y will be 0. Now, coming to the second one, I'm going to do it. So y, I am going to substitute this value. 3x minus 2 times y is what? I have to put it in bracket, right? 3 by 2x plus 5 will be equal to 7. Akshada, I didn't get your answer, ma.
I'm still doing it.
Okay. 3x
Am I
minus,
supposed to answer
distribute the 2. 3x, then distribute the minus 2 to this minus 10 equal to 7. See what happens here. 3x and x get cancelled and it says minus 10 equal to 7, which is an invalid statement, right? In mathematics. When you arrive at invalid statement, what happens? The given equation, this equation does not have any solution, meaning the lines are parallel. When you look at this, right, how do you find the lines are parallel? This is,
They have,
yeah, go ahead.
they have the same slope but different y-intercept.
Exactly. Change it to slope intercept form. This is in standard form. Change it to slope intercept form, right? When you change it to slope intercept form, 2y will be equal to 3x minus 7. y will be equal to 3 by 2x minus 7. Do you see the slope and the slope? They
Minus
both are the same. That means they are parallel. That is why you're getting no solution. Did you guys get it?
Wouldn't that be minus 7 over 2?
What is it, ma?
minus 7
Minus 7 over 2 for the
Oh, minus 7 over 2. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thanks. Got okay. So please always, before you say the answer, right? Algebra is very easy in the sense you can always recheck. So second one, you have to say that it is no solution and the lines are parallel. When do you get an infinite solution? When you get a very valid statement in mathematics. What is a valid statement in mathematics? Instead of getting things like this, you will end up with things like 7 equal to 7, minus 7 equal to minus 7, or minus 2 equal to minus 2, or you can get minus 1x equal to minus 1x. So something like this, which is very true when you get, then all real numbers are solutions. Or you can say the lines overlap. Any questions? Because all the xy points are work on both the lines, right? Then that means that the lines overlap. Adira, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, you know how to graph these lines, right, guys? Do you know how to graph these lines? Okay. You don't know, Yojit? Do you know how to graph these lines, Yojit?
Yeah.
Okay. How many of you do not have the TA84 calculator? Okay, just raise your hand using the raise hand button. I want to see. If you don't have the TA84 calculator, raise your hands.
That's a graphing calculator, right?
Yes. No, not now. Do you have it at home or no?
I do.
No.
I
Meaning,
do.
if you don't have one to use for yourself at home next week when I discuss in class, raise your hand. I'll discuss only next week, but I really want to know how many of you do not have it. Okay. So you guys plan to buy or don't plan to buy?
No, I have a TI-84 calculator app on my mom's phone.
Online?
On my mom's phone.
On your mom's phone. Okay. How about the others? Yojit, Srinida, Akshada, Hem, Anya, Vibha, Vinisha. What are your plans?
I'll ask my mom to buy it.
You buy or you install the app. There is an app, TA84 app. You can install it and bring it to class. Okay, without that, I cannot deal with how to do it in a calculator. Whether the school teaches or not, you guys have to know how to graph in the calculator. Okay. Next week, I would like you to bring it to class. Can I move on? So this is using the substitution method. You just substitute for one variable. That's all we did. Okay. Now, if the same linear system is given, meaning, let's go ahead with a different linear system. The thing is, there are many methods of solving. So let's go ahead with this one. If you're given something like this, right? The other way is to eliminate a variable. Elimination. That's the other way here. That is substitution. This is elimination. Eliminate means what? I'm going to eliminate one of the variable. Okay. How will I eliminate the variable? First, look at your equations. Look at your equations. Given line equations are this, right? Here, there is a plus. Vinisha, what is going on, Vinisha? Vinisha, are you here?
Yeah, sorry, my laptop disconnected.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's move on. Because so many pings, I was a little scared. Okay. So consider these two line equations. I want to eliminate which variable I can eliminate. As soon as I see this, I do clearly see a plus y minus 2y. See, that is the variable I want to eliminate because you add the left sides together. You add the right sides together. What happens if you add the left sides and right sides? This becomes 3x. This and this will get cancelled. This side minus 6, you are going to add them together. When you add them together, this side will become a 6. So you equate them both. See, you get a one answer in one line. So elimination is very easy to do. Okay. So now x equal to 2 means substitute that in here. So you get minus 2y equal to 10. Y will be equal to a minus 5. Did you get it? So elimination is basically very easy, but the way, meaning you have to analyze the equation and clearly understand what variable to eliminate. How about this? Meaning I'm going to pick out, so, or volunteer. Which variable would I want to eliminate in this set of linear system, Nabiha?
2x.
2x you want to eliminate, but the signs are the same, right? Easier one is what you can eliminate. See, 2x as well you can eliminate. There's nothing wrong. Meaning in that case, what should I do? I have to subtract both the equations. Subtraction is always prone to errors. If 1 minute, Yojit, I'll come back. Anya, you had some question which I did not listen to, right, Anya? Sorry.
Yeah.
I'll come
I
back.
got the question right, but I was wondering if there's a shortcut because
Yeah, ma.
it took a while. It
Yeah, ma.
was a
I
word.
listen to you. I
It
listen
was
to
a
you.
word problem. It said Mrs. T had
Ilma,
three.
wait, Anya, let me finish whatever I'm doing. Keep it ready. You can share the screen. We can all work together.
Okay.
Okay. So now Nabiha says we can eliminate x. Yeah, you can eliminate. In that case, I have to subtract them because I have to make a minus come here. Then only I can cancel them. But for me to get a minus in there, to subtract both the equations. So I'll put it big. So this minus will go here, minus will go here. The minus and the minus will become plus. It's all prone to errors. Do you see? What is happening is left side I'm subtracting. Subtract whatever was in there, 2x minus y. This side becomes 2 subtract minus 2. You see, this is prone to errors. You will forget something. When you carry over the minus, it becomes minus 2x plus y will be equal to 4. Now cancel this. 2y equal to 4, y equal to 2. This is one way of doing. Yes, this is as well correct. But as soon as you see this equation, see here, there's a plus, there's a minus. Add both the left sides, add, right sides, add. This will get cancelled. 4x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Is it easier? So look at the equation. When you already have a plus and minus, that is what you need to eliminate by just adding the equation. If you cannot do this, right? If you're in a position where, let's say, they have given it like this, 2x plus y equal to 2, and they gave you 2x plus 3y equal to 9. Something of this they gave you. In this case, there's no other go but to subtract both the equations. Then what do you do? See, when you propagate that minus, this becomes a minus, this becomes a minus, this becomes a minus. Then they will get cancelled. This will become minus 2y equal to minus 7. Y will be equal to 7 by 2. Any questions? Adira, are you following?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's try this one. For elimination, we are going to try, guys. How about this one? No, I don't want to go hard. Let's do an easy one. Then the next one will be a little hard one. Let's see. How about this? How do you want to eliminate? Which variable would you want to eliminate? Think about it. I am open. Okay. If you want to eliminate y, it is still possible. What you need to do? Eliminating y is still possible. But then in that case, you have to multiply this entire equation with a 6. So 6, first equation is this. Second equation, I will multiply the entire equation, meaning this I'll multiply with 6, this I'll multiply with 6, this I'll multiply with 6. So ending up with minus 36x plus 6y equal to 30. Now these both are the same. Then you subtract both. It is all prone to errors. But instead of that, the easiest way would be to look at any variable that has the same coefficient and different signs. That's the easiest way. Yeah, eliminating x is the easiest here. What you should do? Add both the equations, just that they'll get cancelled. Could you let me know the answer here, guys? Quick, come on, just the answer. Yes, Akshada. Yep. Any y alone, if you give me as well, that's enough. I just want to move on. Want to make sure you understand things. That's all. Anya, that's correct. Anya, you have your thing ready, ma. Vibha, that seems incorrect. You want to do it on the board?
Typo.
Okay. Adira, that's correct. Bhakti, that's
I
incorrect.
wrote the wrong one.
Mahir, Krishiv, can I get your answers? Navi, how to joining equations is easy, ma. Left hand side, see, if you have left sides, you're going to add all of them together. How will you add them together? 6x. How can you add minus 6x? They'll get cancelled, right? Addition means they are just going to get cancelled, Nabiha. 6y plus y, what would happen, Nabiha?
You get 5y?
6y plus
Oh,
y.
sorry, 7y.
7y, yeah. So the right side, you're going to add them together. Minus 12 plus 5 is what?
-7.
Yeah. So y will be equal to?
-1.
That's it. Nabiha, are we clear?
Oh, yeah, I get it now. Thanks.
But you know what? They can make it even harder on you. Here, how can you do it? If they are giving you two linear equations like this, substitution is so hard. You'll have to first find out what is y or x and then substitute. It's all going to be in fractions. We don't want substitution here. But how to eliminate? Any thoughts?
We would add the x's and y's. We could eliminate a y's use both of them. No, wait.
What is it, ma?
No. Could we add the x's and y's?
If you add the x's and minuses, see, if you add the equations, what would happen? Minus 6x plus 5y. See, you have two variables and one equation, right? You're never going to solve this. One variable should be cut off. That is what is elimination. So they're making it really difficult here. So what do we do? What do you think we can do?
We can use substitution.
Substitution, you know how hard it's going to be, I'll tell you. 2x equal to 14 minus 8y. X will be equal to 14 by 2 minus 8 by 2y. So x will be equal to 7 minus 4y. So this one, you need to substitute in here. It's so hard, right? We don't want substitution in this case. There's another easy way. I'll tell you. See, my main intention is to eliminate one of the variables. Suppose if I choose eliminate x, right? I need to make sure their coefficients are the same. How to make it the same?
But the first equation by -4.
Yeah, I can coefficient, okay. Coefficients, rather than making multiplying by -4, why don't I multiply by 4 so that they have positive and negative coefficients, same value? Meaning multiply by 4, multiply by 4, multiply by 4. Because right side and left side I'm multiplying by 4. So I'm being fair to the equation. So my first equation would become 8x plus it was 32 y,
The 32y is equal to
56, right? The bottom equation I'll write as it is. Now how easy it is, see? You don't need to go the process of substitution for so hard one. Now just add them together. Add them together. What happens? You'll get 29y will be equal to what? 29. Y will be equal to 1. Easy, guys? So basically you can multiply one equation throughout by a number so as to make sure the coefficients are positive and negative for the same variable. That way you can eliminate that variable. Let's say I decide on eliminating y. What do I do? If I want to eliminate y, what should I do?
You
Multiply the first equation by
3 and multiply the second one by 8.
3. Good job. Multiply the first equation by 3 because that's the LCM, right? 6x plus 24y equal to 14 times 3 is 42. Multiply the second equation by 8 minus 64x minus 24y will be equal to 787. 21. See? Now add both, add all of them. When you add all of them, what happens? Minus 58x will be equal to, here you'll get, I think so. Yes, I think so. So x will be equal to 2. Clear, guys?
Mom, it's fair. It's minus 174.
Minus 174. But then I'm wrong. Let me see. 174 by 56 is 58 is not correct. Let me see. Something feels wrong to me. 1 minute. I really want to redo, but that's okay. I can check. I'm going to multiply the first equation by 3, right? 6x, 24y. 4 3 are 12, 3 1 is 3, 42 is correct. The second equation by 8. See, don't get into complications like this, but I'm just showing you how complicated it is. So go for the easier one rather than making it complicated. Anyway, you solve the same answer you'll get. Minus 64y minus 24y equal to 7 8s are 56, 5 8 is 16, 17, 18, 9, 20, 21. Correct. Till this it's right. So when I add them together, I get a this is itself wrong. No, this is correct. Minus 58x is correct. So minus 214, 42, 216. And then a 42. So I'll end up having 164, right, ma? Oh, yeah.
It's 11 minus 4.
74, sorry. Minus 174.
Minus.
Huh?
For the calculation you did, it's 11 minus 4, not 10 minutes.
What is it, Yojit?
Or when you did 216 minus 42, it would be 11 minus
Yeah,
4.
11. Yeah, I get it. 2, 9, 2. So, 3. Yeah, you're getting 3. X equal to 3. Any questions?
No.
Adira, you're good, Adira? Feeling sleepy?
No, my camera's down, so it looks like I'm looking away.
Okay. Okay, I see it. I understand what you're saying. Okay. So, guys, do you want to do elimination one problem?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try one problem in elimination. Okay, let me try this one. How you guys do, let me watch. See, each of your way can be different, but just tell me which one you eliminated by doing what. Meaning, what I want to get from you is not just the answer. Okay, because you can do substitution. So I really want to know, you eliminated which variable? What did you do to eliminate? Multiply or divide or the equation? What did you do to eliminate? What did you do to eliminate? And then the final answer. All the three I need to get. Can we try? Take your time. See, each of you can think differently and I'm fine. We'll try this one, guys. And then I'll listen to Anya. If others are getting bored, you can leave. Yeah, go ahead. Rishid, if you eliminate like that, right? So you end up with two variables in one equation, right?
Yeah.
You need to eliminate one variable completely.
Okay.
So you have to multiply one equation by something such that that variable gets eliminated.
Okay.
You understand, ma?
Yeah.
If you subtract and all, anyway, both the variables will stick on, right? You would not want both the variables to stick on.
Okay.
Are the answers supposed to be decimals?
No. Honestly, I will not go just with the answers. I need to know how you guys do. Bhakti, you have not given me the details. Mahir, good job. You can log off if you have understood. Akshada. Akshada, if you multiply the first equation by 6, you will not get the answer, right, Akshada?
I meant 3. It was a typo.
Oh, okay.
I changed my
Wait, so what do I say? Do I like say what I did? The steps
Yes,
I
ma.
did?
Dhuru, you're done. You can log off if you understood.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma. Bye.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
1 minute, ma. I'm checking one by one, okay, Yojit? By -7 on the first equation. Oh, okay, nice. Okay. But Yojit, your thought process is great, but the answer is incorrect. Can you check again?
Okay.
What first equation by 3, x equal to 7. I don't know. I don't remember the answer. Yeah, Nabiha, you got it, ma. You can log off.
Is mine's
All right,
correct?
bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma.
I'm
Krishna, your answer is incorrect, but I don't know how you did it as well.
Yeah, no, I'm redoing it now.
Srinita, you can log off, ma.
Okay, bye, Miss Priya.
Sure, ma. Bye, ma. Have a nice week ahead.
I meant to put 25. I didn't know how to put 28. Sorry.
No What was that, Yujit?
I meant to put 25, not 28.
Oh, okay. Then you got it?
Can you check my answer?
But Yojit, can you resend the answer, Yojit? Yes, ma. Akshada, why I'm missing yours, Akshada? I don't know. No, ma. That's what I said. Akshada, to you, I said your Y value was incorrect. I told you.
Oh,
Yeah, Krishiv, I didn't get your answer properly. Anya, where are you missing? Yojit, that's incorrect. Vinisha, your way is correct. Okay, why don't you time the first equation by -7? That way it's easy. Multiply each
Yeah,
term.
I was just trying that. I realized my mistake.
Yeah, -7 is better so that you will. Akshada, correct, ma. You can log off, ma. I'm waiting, guys. Do it, finish it, understand properly, and then you go. Vibha, correct. Adira, correct. You can log off, guys. Have a good week ahead.
Thank you. Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. I'll wait, guys. Whoever has a problem, I'll sit and solve with you. Rishit, did you get it now, Rishit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think your answer is correct. So the way you eliminate is you always completely eliminate one variable. Good job. That's
Thank you. Bye.
Bhakti. Yeah, I'm checking Bhakti. Please give me 1 minute. But yes, Bhakti. That is correct. So solve that. Correct, Bhakti. Correct.
I solved it. I gave my answer on the top.
Oh, okay. Sorry, ma. If you split it like this,
Yeah, because he
I
said
am.
I had to show my works.
I feel
didn't know.
pathetic on myself about myself. You have to send both together. It's okay. I got it. Thank you. Yeah, it's right,
Okay.
ma. Have a nice week ahead.
You too.
Bye, ma.
Bye.
Yojit, correct Yojit. Bye, Yojit. I think it was silly mistake, right?
Yeah, I accidentally forgot to, I multiplied the 2y by 7, but I forgot to add the negative.
I see.
Otherwise I did everything else correct.
Yeah, now it's correct. Yeah. As long as you understand, you can log off. See you next week. Bye, guys. Whom can I help?
I don't really get
Anya,
how
Anya.
to go.
Yes, Anya, I am going to sit with you. Okay, 100%. Give me 1 minute, okay?
I
Let
don't
me wait for the
understand.
others. And Anya, keep your question ready. And what is that absolute value? I'll clarify. Okay, Anya?
Miss Priya, I tried timesing by 7, but I got the same answer, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Okay, no problem. What did you do? I will do the same thing. You times it by 7 means first equation or the second equation?
First equation by 7.
Okay, I'll show you timesing by 7. First equation times it by 7. Why don't you times it by -7?
Oh, sorry, -7. That's what I was saying.
Let's try. That will be that will be what? 7x minus 14y equal to, when you times it by -7, what happens? 7 sevens are 49, 4 sevens are 14, 18, right? That's all. Did you get that?
Yeah, and then I put down the next equation, and
Correct.
then I canceled out 7x.
Mm-hmm.
And
This
then
one is what? Minus 20y will be equal to 200. Did you get that?
oh, I think I maybe minus wrong or something.
No problem. If you have two minuses, right, you have to add them. Here, both are added. So y will be equal to -10. Do you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Who else has questions on how can I help, guys? I will help you. Whatever help you need, you have to ask now. If you want to do and figure out, I will wait. That's all. Krishiv and Navya, are you doing? Should I wait? What do you think?
Wait, I got y to 10. I don't know how to figure out x.
Y equal to -10 or 10 you got?
10.
How did you get? Can you tell me, Krishiv? I'll help you.
I just did top one times -7.
-7. So top 1 times -7 is, did you get this?
Yeah.
Did you
But
get this?
no, I got 181.
181 now.
Oh. Okay.
You got it, Krishiv?
Yeah.
Okay, then if you do this, this is 11. This one will go. This is -20. Y equal to 200. Y will be equal to -10. Correct?
Yeah.
Then see this -10. Go plug it in any one equation. Minus x plus
Wait,
2
we did it.
times.
Wait, the top one we did by -10, right? Or -7, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I see now.
So if you get y equal to -10, you plug in back into any equation. I just chose the first equation. When you do that, minus x minus 20 equal to -27, add 20 to both sides, minus x equal to -7, x equal to 7. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, ma. Bye.
I understand now.
You understood? Okay, cool. Navya, did you have a question or do you have the answer?
I think I understood.
Okay, ma. Bye, ma. Have a nice
I
week
also
ahead.
need the Google Classroom.
Yes. Do you need the Google Classroom, new Google Classroom?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
also need the Google Classroom.
See, guys, if you need something, please wait at the end. It really helps me. Otherwise, it's so confusing. I don't want to waste class time too. 1 second. I can easily help you out like this. I'll give it to you. Anya, you wanted more. Can you share the question with me, please?
Yeah, sure. But I also needed to be in the Google Classroom. I don't have the Google Classroom link.
See there, ma, I've given in the chat. Did you see? I gave it to you in the chat. Did you see that?
Yeah, I'm logging in right now, so I don't forget later.
Sure, sure. Good, good. I like it. Navya, how about you?
Yeah, that's it. I just needed the Google Classroom.
Okay, you can log off then, ma.
Okay.
Now, what is the question that Anya has? Can you share?
Okay, yeah, sure. I'm first trying to log into the Google Classroom.
No problem. Log in, tell me.
Okay, so this was a problem. And I was able to get the answer, but I wasn't exactly able to find like a quicker way to do it. It took me a bit to like find out the answer.
Okay, okay. Wait, ma, I'll stop the recording.